Today I want to share my 5 AI code production techniques which are keeping me afloat. Grill me skill. It's not mine, it's Matt Packag's skill. I will share the link to Matt's skills repo in the description. It is a very simple and yet very effective skill to go with. It interviews the user relentlessly about a plan or design until reaching a shared understanding, resolving each branch of the decision tree. Recently, Matt has introduced a new Grill Me with Doc skill which will require some legwork in a project context, yet it's worth it. With the AI coding, you are somewhat a product manager, where the code is your product and the prompt is the feature specification. As a product manager, you might lose some details in your feature design. Those details might be crucial for an agent to produce the result. With Grill Me, the agent will drag you through all uncertainties and will get the best understanding of what you want. And then fail anyway. Agents most probably fail if your prompt for the feature is too broad or ambitious. You should always narrow down the feature scope. Hey, it's just like you. In a Scrum environment, if you have a feature with an estimate of 12 story points or more, you most probably will fail to meet the commitment as well as the feature implementation itself. Feed small tasks to AI, feed to LLM exactly the specs it can chew, and where you can be precise in definition. You are the harness here. By the way, check my video on AI harness. Remember, narrow down the prompt scope. Don't talk too much. Context, 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 and one more time context. Focus on the conversational context and the context lens. In Cloud Code, there is a command context to see the context allocation. I'm checking context consumption after each code alteration. If your LLM conversation is not going smoothly and you have a feeling of moving in circles, it's a clear sign of context corruption or degradation. From that point, you will not get anywhere. You review your initial prompt and the clarifications from the Grill Me section and start a new conversation. Always keep context clean, no matter how close it was to the desirable result. Next, dedicated virtual workspace. My crypto trading analytics project Colossus has grown to multiple repositories. Eventually, the USD inflation tracking feature offloaded to multiple services, Analytics Aggregator and Colossus Graph. The easy way to focus LLM only on the projects you need is to create a virtual workspace. Just create a new folder that is going to contain symbolic links to the feature-related project folders. Then have an LLM conversation in that symbolic workspace. For instance, I can ask Copilot agent to prepare a brief on USD inflation data usage across 2 projects. It's a very simple way to create a limited workspace, to keep the context lean without the need to check out something somewhere separately. By the way, join the Telegram channel to get crypto market analytics and BTC trading read setups. The link is in the description. Code entropy. In computer science, code entropy refers to the gradual inevitable decay of codebase quality, structure, and maintainability over time. Code entropy means that as software is modified, its internal complexity and chaos will naturally increase unless actively resisted. Using AI, you are speeding up the code entropy in 10x. To fight code entropy, cover the project with tests. With AI, tests are dirt cheap. Then force AI to reduce the entropy on a regular basis. Here is another skill from Matt: improve code-base architecture. I'll share the link in the description. AI has made refactoring cheap, but the rules are the same: tests and iterative enhancements. Improve base architecture on a regular basis with the narrow context, then your project will stay maintainable. For my personal project, I'm using GitHub Copilot. The beauty of these agent execution skills is that they are entirely tool-agnostic. They work beautifully whenever you are using Cloud Code or Copilot. After intense work with AI, I feel handicapped. I feel a conflict between manual coding inefficiency and LLM inability to produce an exactly perfect solution. Manual coding is not an option anymore. Eventually, you have to master your LLM communication to produce maintainable code. What are your AI coding approaches? Share in the comments. See you in the next episode. Bye!